All right, today I am in the Inverness floor plan out here in Bixby Meadows, where every home has a half-acre yard or more. I'm going to share 3 cool features about this home with you, and then at the end I'm going to tell you about how you can save $100,000 on your mortgage payments. You heard me right. Stay tuned till the end to find out. The first feature I want to share with you in the Inverness is that we designed this plan to be ready for the zombie apocalypse. I know, right now you're going, what are you talking about, the zombie apocalypse? Okay, what I mean is if we have a zombie apocalypse, and that might happen, you're going to need to store a lot of food because you're not going to want to go outside very much. So, in this home, we have this massive pantry with just humongous space here. You can literally store food for weeks in this pantry. So that's how we've designed this plan to make it through the zombie apocalypse. Feature number 2 is this giant flex room that we created in this home. Now in this one, you can use this as a bedroom, you could use it as a study or an extra living room or a kid's playroom. There's so many ways you could use this space. If you use it as a bedroom, it makes this a 4-bedroom home. If you use it as a study or something else, it's a 3-bedroom home, but man, is it a great extra space to have. Feature number 3 is the energy efficiency in this home. This home has a HERS rating in the 40s. Now, most conventional homes are going to have a rating much higher than that, and that means you're going to save somewhere in the ballpark of $700 to $1,000 a year in energy costs. Now, that is a benefit I think you'll like. All right, and as promised, I want to tell you about the incredible incentive we have right now. This is the best incentive in the 35-plus year history of Shaw Homes. Right now, we are offering a $30,000 incentive on this home. What that means for you is, if you're a cash buyer, we can just take it off the price. If you want to use it to pay closing costs, we can do that too. But the best way to do it if you're financing is to pay down the interest rate. Now, we're doing it for the entire life of the loan, not just for one introductory year like a lot of builders are doing. This is for the entire life of a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. We're going to buy down your rate so far that it's going to make you have the payment on this home that you would have on a home $100,000 below this in price. You heard me right. Your payment is going to be that of a home $100,000 below this home. So call us today. Let's get you in to check this one out or any of our other move-in ready homes.